21, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff. With Category 4, Troop and Staff, Christine Saibel P. Mura, Troop Commander, Fabiola Dominic Gascon, Troop S1, Maria Gisette Joy Legatic, Troop S2, Jero Gabriel A. No, Troop S3, Leah France Villasa, Troop S4, Red Anferni Birinya, Troop S5, Jonalyn T. Borja, Troop S6, Major Leader, Grishel Yvonne Murillo, Band Leader, Ivan Michael Talagit, Company Commander, Alpha Company Commander, Jermarx Rafael Lucena, Alpha Company XO, Kervin Blanco, First Platoon Leader, Boys Ace Gabriel Belmonte, Second Platoon Leader, Boys Gian Carlo Nava, Bravo Company Commander, Ana Patrice Celebrado, Bravo Company XO, Akira Meets Aguila, First Platoon Leader, Girls, Daniela P. Coronel, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Jasmine C. Sabularse, MAPE Company Commander, Carl Matthew N. Ablan, MAPE Company XO, Carl Joshua Pandes, First Platoon Leader, Vin Septer Santa Cruz, Second Platoon Leader, Riza May Pusugak, School Head, Dr. Francia T. Buffet, Principal Junior High School, Mrs. Ninita T. Andalis, Principal Senior High School, CTP, MAPE Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan P. Werno, Ms. Marisol D. Mendoza, Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator, Matrix Coordinator, Mr. Cesar Di Mabayaw, Mr. Marvin Betervo, DBCDLC Coordinator, Mr. Jonathan Tasara, Jomel Valeros, Attorney Emmanuel Ortega, University President. Entry number 21, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Salamat po kayo. Kasama mo yan dyan. Salamat. Sponsor.
Ano after?
Entry number 21, the University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. And that was our last entry.